Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on full stack and DevOps. So in this video, we are going to start a new series of sessions in which we will have lectures based on GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. So let me give a very simple and a basic overview of GCP in this video. So GCP is nothing but they rent services, let it be infrastructure or it could be computation or storage, anything. They just rent these service on demand basis. So we just need to log in into the GCP platform with our Gmail ID or any email ID, and we will get access to these services. So let us see what are the services, what are how we can utilize it, and what are the different types of services that are available in GCP in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Full Stack and DevOps. Goodbye and see you in another video.